Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? Hopefully you're fine and doing great at your home with your families. So, are you enjoying your vacations? Yes, actually these are not vacations. You have to complete your work because your final term exams are approaching. And I have shared the message yesterday in the group that your exams will be started from 5th of February. So, if we won't talk more now, let's start our today's work. First of all, we have to mention date, which is Wednesday, 20th January 2021. This is grade 4 lecture, and I'm your English teacher Adam, your subject English literature, your textbook read now. Topic the buried treasure, exercise number 1, words meaning. Okay, so let's start. Here are a few words pictures I wasn't able to find out. So, number 1 word is pride. So, what is the meaning of pride? Pride means a feeling of pleasure. When you are so much happy and you feel honored, it means you are feeling pride. Okay, feeling of pleasure or honor. The next word is sorry. The next word is flash. What is the meaning of flash? Flash means sudden shine. Everyone using smartphones nowadays. When you click a picture from your smartphone, there comes a light, which is also called flash. And why it is called flash? Because it is sudden light. When you click the picture, the light came and just sudden and just goes by the time you click the picture. Okay, it calls a flash. I can give you an example over here. It's a flash. Okay, flash. Okay, now move to the next word. What is the next word? The next word is pleasure. What is the next word? Pleasure. What is the meaning of pleasure? Pleasure means happiness. Look at these smileys. They are showing happiness. Pleasure, happiness. The next word is lightning. Lightning is thunderstorm. You have seen it during the rainy season. Thunder. The thunderstorm is called lightning. The next word is scamper. Scamper to mean run quickly. Scampered basically we have in our words meaning. So scampered means run quickly. What is the meaning of scamper? Run quickly. Now look at this squirrel. It is running quickly. Okay, running quickly. Now move to the next word. Gaze. What is the meaning of gaze? To look fixedly at something. Look at this boy. It is gazing at the stars. Okay. Okay. The next word is munch. Munch, to eat. Okay. When we are eating something or chewing something, it is called munch. Munch, chew. Munch, chew. Now look at this koala. It is trying to munching its food. Trembling, shivering. Usually we tremble with fear or we tremble with when we feel cold. Now look at this. He is trembling or shivering. Next word, astonishment. Astonishment, surprised. You can say that it is an expression. Look at the baby, astonished. Okay. The next word is annoy. What is the meaning of annoy? Annoy means angry or imitate. Look at the girl, she is annoyed. Annoy, angry or imitate. So this was our lecture for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it and you can understand it because I have shown you a picture of your whole words and meaning. And you can also ask me any question related to the topic. This is now the best time to complete your missing work because I already told you that our final term exams are approaching. Okay, if you have any kind of problem, you know how to contact me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.